out here.
This is 6.5 feet deep, and those fish are hitting rock bottom.
Okay.
So you gotta get that. You gotta get a black trickworm.
I'm hooked up.
Got him. Bluegill motherfucker. Oh shit.
Oh look, that nigga got gone. Oh, he hit the bushes. He hit.
We find some wild men out here on the lake. Now you don't usually find people out in these parts, but what we have here is a rare Latino. Now you see what he has with him is his sustenance. And over here you have a black man with a Kappa shirt.
It's an innocent black man.
Okay, I don't believe that, but he's out here kayaking too.
That's right.
All right. We have an Asian over there. Wow, what a rare find.
Yeah, that is a fucking...
Will bro ever make it to the boat?
Yes, sir.
Find out on the next episode of Sportsman Here.